Philadelphia is calling for a large winter blizzard type deal happening, so we need to prepare. It's sort of a Sunday reset sort of thing, you know, but also in preparation for a blizzard coming. So, first order of business, get food at this little cafe, which is not a necessary step, but we're doing it anyway because we're hungry. Fitzwater Cafe. How are we feeling?
That's pretty delightful. I enjoyed my my eggs and potatoes and andouille sausage.
Yeah, it was good. I liked my breakfast burrito. I was full after the first half though, but I forced myself to eat the second half too, and that may have ruined it just a little bit because I was eating it and I didn't want to be, but it was still tasty. So, big burrito if you go. Big breakfast burrito, come hungry and you'll be satisfied. Step number 2 initiated. We are at a bulk wholesale retailer picking up bulk items before the blizzard occurs. It's currently raining now. Temperatures are about to get crazy and it's going to turn into a wintry mix of snow and ice. So we're preparing with all of the bulk essentials from our favorite store. We're a little early, so you have to wait in line.
Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Want a loose potato?
That is an essential ingredient of being trapped inside during a blizzard. We have to have distractions and mind games for our little boy. Toy with 6 squeakers. I'm pouting in this little boxed in area. This is me growling because he just hit me with the cart. He struck me with the buggy. So I'm pouting in this area. He claims it was just an accident, so I should move on. He struck me with the cart. Like, struck me hard. It wasn't like a blow love tap. It was a strike.
Toy with 6 squeakers.
What if it was a car that he had struck me with? Would we be just saying, move on, Alexa? Or would we... No! No! Don't look at my smile, I'm pouting. is a nice chair though. Like, all jokes aside, it's very nice for my body. I could see myself tanning. That's a legit one. Did you just hit the tree? Just so everyone's aware, I do that every time. Hey, patience is a virtue. Go! Yeah! That's his blizzard distraction today. Even though it's literally not blizzarding, it's raining and it felt warm-ish. He's ready to go. Latte art. Also, I promise it is appetizing if you can get past the nature of almond milk in that it separates. Very tasty. We have hunted and gathered for this blizzard, non-blizzard, and now we sit and read our Kindle. This is the next integral step of blizzarding. Get comfy and cozy with your beverage of choice. So, coffee. I was in a slump with reading, actually, and I haven't read on my Kindle in a very long time, but I just bought this new book.
Metal Slinger.
He makes fun of me for this book because it's called Metal Slinger, which is kind of a funny name. But it's really good. I'm halfway through already and I've been reading it for like, what, 2 days, 3 days? It was just on like the Kindle store and it had like books similar to what you've read before, so. My plants are looking a little sad. I'm really disappointed though. The blizzard is not blizzarding. It's still raining. So I don't know if like Blizzard Day is an accurate title for this video. Should it just be Weather Day? Sometimes I think he laughs like a little too much and it gets to my head sometimes because I didn't really think that was that funny. But maybe it was. My plants haven't been watered in like 3 weeks when they start drooping in a very sad manner, that's when I know water time is upon us. Snow has commenced, but it's not sticking yet. It still feels like the in-betweener of snow and rain. So we'll just see. Oh, it might be sticking. Wait, it might be sticking. And that right there is sticking as we speak. It's probably the surfaces are colder because it's coming down onto the grill as well. I take back my previous sort of statement that I couldn't call this a blizzard vlog. I think that may be coming into fruition now. So we'll just see and monitor as the day goes on. Clearly, the snow has fallen, accumulating. He's not a fan, but he looks really cute in his sweater. I have my old snow jacket on to withstand the falling sideways snow. How do we like my outfit? I've said this before, I'm not the most aesthetically pleasing person, but I'm functional. I'm more blizzard-like that big pile of snow over there. That's from the last blizzard. Philadelphia, state of emergency right now, I'll tell you. Ah, he had the same thought. All right, folks, we have accumulation. My face is all red and rosy. That's when you know it was chilly out. And my nose is running. Okay, do we count this as a blizzard is the real question, because there's a few inches and I think it may be blocked by the tree. So I'm saying it is a blizzard, and I think it's supposed to keep snowing until tomorrow morning. So maybe tomorrow morning day it'll be more packed on the ground and it'll be considered in my mind an actual blizzard. But this tree looks cool.